Today we are going to see binomial distribution problems. Okay, Bhavana, good morning. I hope all of you have gone through that binomial distribution class. So first let me brief the things, whatever you have studied there. One second. So binomial distribution means already you have studied the binomial expansion, p plus q the whole power n. This you have studied, right? A plus b the whole power n is equal to a power n, nc0 a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b squared plus etc. The last term will be b power n. This you have studied. So using that only we are using, that is each term we are going to assign as a probability. Okay, so to use this we have some conditions. Binomial distribution, these are all, the each and every term will represent the probability of some event. Okay, so what is the probability mass function of this binomial distribution? We'll see that first. Probability of capital X is equal to small x is NCX p power x q power n minus x, and x can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. And another important condition, this p plus q should be equal to 1. Okay, so when will you use this binomial distribution? There are some conditions. First one, it should be finite. The number of trials should be finite. For example, if I toss a coin or if I throw a die and I will, for me, I will have some condition, I'll get the number 4. Okay, so if I don't get, I'll throw it again. But again I can throw it, again I can throw it. But it will not be infinite. Okay, if it is infinite time, then we cannot use that binomial distribution. Okay, so it should be finite. The number of trials should be finite. That is the first condition. And another one is, there are only two outcomes, either yes or no. Okay, they need not have the same probability. P and Q need not be same. Okay, it need not be equally likely. We can have different probabilities. But if you add these two, P plus Q, it should be 1. So only either P is possible or Q is possible. Okay, either we call them as either success or failure. Only two are possible, either success or failure. Okay, and the third condition is independent. Each and every trial, trial should be independent of each other. Every event should be independent of each other. That is the second, if you are throwing a die and the second time when you are throwing, it will not depend on the previous one. Okay, it is not because of first experiment we got this result, we got the second result. It is not like that. So there should be independent events. And the probability should remain the same. Suppose if you are throwing a die, you are getting the number 5. Okay, if getting the number 5 is our success. So what will be the probability? 1 by 6. And Q should be 5 by 6. Not getting 5. Okay. So whenever you throw the die, this is going to be the same. 1 by 6 is going to be the same. It will not change. So throughout the event, throughout the experiments, it will be same only. Okay, P will not change. So these are the main conditions for binomial distribution. Okay, now I hope you have done the same things in your intermediate also, but here we have derived the mean, derived the variance. All the proofs are also important. They can ask even in the university exam. Okay, so you have to be thorough with the proofs also. Now we'll go to the problems. First one, try to do this. A fair coin is tossed 6 times. Find the probability of getting 4 heads. Another important point I want to tell you, P can be success. The success you are going to decide. You can decide whether getting 4 is success and not getting 4 is success also. But whatever you want, you can decide. If you are deciding P as getting 4, Q will be not getting 4. If you are deciding that success is not getting 4, okay, so P will be 5 by 6 and Q will be 1 by 6. No problem. Okay, so getting 4 heads. A fair coin is tasked 6 times, find the probability of getting 4 heads. So how many times we are throwing? That will be our n, right? So n is equal to 6 here. And what is the probability of getting a head? Sorry, not 1 by 6. Here a coin is tossed. So what is our small p? What is small p? Getting a head is 1 by 2. And not getting a head, q is also 1 by 2. Okay. So n is equal to 6. And what is our favorable case? That is x is equal to 4. That is probability of getting 4 heads. From the question only you have to take all these things. N is equal to 6, p is equal to 1 by 2, q is equal to 1 by 2. That is you are tossing a coin, therefore getting a number 4, getting 4 heads. So getting a head is 1 by 2, getting a tail is also 1 by 2. And what is asked? Getting 4 heads will be our choice. X is equal to 4. Now we have to substitute. Okay. So what is asked? Probability that capital X is equal to 4. What is the formula? From this NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X is the formula, right? What is N here? You just substitute and derive the value. That's all. Do it. NC is 6, so 6C4. I hope all of you have calculator. Please put it. 1 by 2. Put the values in your calculator and find the value. 1 by 2, the whole power. 1 by 2 is our P. X is 4 and Q is again 1 by 2. The whole power 4, 6 minus 4, n minus 6. Simplify and tell me the value. Oh, Mani Kumar, first time I think I am seeing here. Good morning, Mani Kumar, Rishikesh. Good, you have gone through that. Srijan Kumar, good morning. Manaswini, 15 by 64 is correct, ma. Very good. Very good. Excellent. 15 by 64. Very good. What about others? If you simplify, you will get 15 by 64. Or if you put it in the calculator, you can get the value 0.2344. Yes. Yes, ma. Yes, very good. 0.2344. Others are doing? Yes. Zero 0.2344 is correct. Yes, Rishabh, 15 by 64 is correct. Very good. Namrata, 0.2344 is correct, ma. Very good. Next. Fifteen by 64, Bharat Kumar. Very good. 15 by 64 is right. We'll go to the next question. Determine the probability of getting the sum 6 exactly 3 times in 7 throws with a pair of fair dice. Okay. So from the given question 2-3 times you read the question, you will understand what is given. First of all, if you understand what is given and what is asked, 50% of the problem is solved. Okay. Then only you have to substitute in the formula. So first of all, try to find out what is given exactly. Yes, Bhavana, 15 by 64 is correct. Very good. Ramya, 15 by 64. Correct, ma. Very good. Very good, all of you. Excellent. Next question. First of all, I want to know what is n here, what is x here, small p and q. We are throwing one pair of fair dice. So that is 2 dice are thrown. Okay. We have to get the sum of 6 exactly 3 times in 7 throws. So what is n? What is x? What is p? What is q? N is equal to 7. Yes, very good. N is equal to 7. X is equal to 3. Yes, very good. What is P? You should get the sum of 6. So what is P? When you throw a pair of dice, this products, that is this pairs of values, I have given already one table, etc. 1 comma 6 here, etc. 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, etc. 6 comma 6. Minimum is 2, maximum sum will be 12, and I want 6. So what are the possibilities we can get? Manaswini, 5 by 36 is correct. Excellent. 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. Very good. Vaishnavi, n is equal to 7, x is equal to 3. Very good, ma. Good. Manaswini, 31 by 36 q. Yes, very good. Just what is asked? P of. Very good. So here what are the possibilities? You will get 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So there are 5 possibilities. Therefore P is 5 by 36. Total number of possible ways is 36. So here Q is 31 by 36. Very good. N is equal to 7, right? Yes. X is equal to 3. So what is asked? Probability that X is equal to 3 is NC. So 7C. First of all, you write the formula. You have the habit of writing the formula first. Okay. So NCX, P power X, Q power N minus 6. So NCX 7C3. P power X is 5 by 36. X is 3 here. So 5 by 36 the whole power 3 into 31 by 36 the whole power 7 minus 3, that is 4. Yeah, Namrata, n is equal to 7, x is equal to 3, p, q, yes, very good. All are correct. Ushashri, p 5 by 36 is correct. Uma 31 by 36, 5 by 36, they are correct. Very good. Vaishnavi 5 by 36, very good. Yeah, q is equal to 31 by 36. Yes, very good. Now substitute the value and tell me the answer. Point 0.05155. Yes, very good. Very good. If you simplify, you will get 0.05155. Yes. If you want, you can 4 digits, then 0.5156 or 6. Instead of writing 2 5s, 4 digit if you want. If you want 5 digit also, you can write, nothing wrong. Yeah, Vidya, if you want to write 4 digit, you have to always round it from the 6th digit. Please remember. 0515, again the next digit is 5, no? So whenever you are reducing some digits, please remember you have to round it from the previous value. Okay. Kirtika, it is not 0.05, not 11 ma. Last 2 digits you be careful. 51, last digit is 5. Nothing wrong, but these values there will not be much difference. Okay. The same thing if you substitute in the calculator, exact value you should get. Why you are not getting, that is maybe the brackets, something in brackets. Okay. 0.0516 is correct, Bharat Kumar. Yes, this is what we want. 0.0516. Okay. If you are writing 4 digits, please round it from the 5th digit. Don't forget that. Okay. Yeah, Vidya, correct now. Understood, no? Namrata, it is correct. 5155 is right. Bhavana, the same thing I told Vidya, no? Same. Bharat Kumar is right. Vaishnavi, the same thing just now I have explained. Sai Shubha also 0515. If you are writing 4 digit, please round it from the 6th digit. See, in the screen it is coming. See, 0.5155. So if you want to write up to 4th digit, this is 5 no more. So you have to add 1 to this digit. Therefore 0516 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Sai Shubha, Vaishnavi, Ramya, even Bhavana. If you want to write only 4 digits, you have to round it from the 5th digit. Please remember that. Okay, how many ever digits you are writing, no problem, right? Next question, go through the question and try to tell me what is given, what is asked. What is given, what is asked? What is the value of P here? What is N? First you try to understand the question. Okay, what is given? Read the question 2-3 times so that you will understand. Yeah, Oma 0.0516 is right. Correct. Good. Now read the question and tell me what is N here, what is P here. First we will write P, after that because 2 parts are there. Anyway, N is going to be the same. Q is 1 minus P and N is equal to. And for the first part X will differ and the second part B also X will differ. Tell me what is P, what is Q? All of you understood the question. See, it has been claimed that 60% of all solar heat installations, the utility bill is reduced by at least 1/3. See, there are 100, for example, there are 100 solar heat installations are done. Okay, in that 60% installations, they are telling that utility bill is reduced by at least 1/3. Okay, see, instead of using the current, if you use solar heat, then it will be reduced. The current bill, utility bill will be reduced at least by 1/3. Okay, so accordingly, what are the probabilities that the utility bill will be reduced by at least 1/3? That is, the same thing happens 4 of 5 installation. For example, if you are installing 5 solar heat instruments, then 4 of them gives the details, gives that utility bill is reduced by at least 1/3. Okay, that is for 4 installations this is happening, right? So out of 5, 4 of them are giving utility bill is reduced by at least 1/3. Okay, in that case what is the probability? Yes, one second. Manaswini, P is equal to 0.6. Yes, correct. Q is equal to 40% is correct. Yes, very good. Samyukta, yes, correct ma, very good. N is equal to 5. Yes, very good. Yes, Uma, N is equal to 5, X is equal to 4 only in the first case. Okay, X will differ for the second case, right? Yeah, Kirtika, N is equal to 5 is correct. Very good, all of you. Namrata, P is equal to 60%, Q is equal to 40%. Very good, N is equal to 5, right? Yes, Manaswini, X is equal to 4, N is equal to 5 for A. Very good. Then Namrata, X is equal to 4 for first one. Yes, very good. Then Uma, P, Q are correct. Very good. And X is equal to 5, N is equal to no. Yes. Okay. So P is equal to 60%. 60% is 60 by 100. Therefore 0.6. Q is equal to 0.4. So N is equal to what? 5. 5 installations are made. In both the cases 5 are N only. Okay. So So here first one, x is equal to 4 of 5 installations are right. So x should be equal to 4 for this. So probability that x is equal to 4 is NCX. So n is, you please write the formula also in the exam, don't forget that. So 5C4 into 0.6 the whole power 4 into 0.4 the whole power 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. So 5C4 is 5C1 and 0.6 the whole power 4 into 0.4 the whole power 1. Yes. 0.25. It is not 4 ma, 2592 I think. Rishabh, n is equal to 5 is correct ma. Samyukta 0.254. Let us wait for others answers. I think I got 0.2592. Yes, Manaswini you got 0.2592. Sai Shubha got 0.2592. Samyukta, please check the answer once again. Use the calculator properly. You put the brackets and all perfectly. Then only you will get the exact answer. Yes, 0.2592 is correct, Manaswini. Yes, Namrata 0.2592. All of you got. Very good. Uma, n is equal to 4. Yes, x is equal to 4 and 5 for B. Very good. Excellent. Bhavana 0.2599 is correct. Vidya 0.2592 is correct. Very good all of you. Excellent. Very good. So 0.2592 is the answer. What about second one? Uma told x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5. Very good. At least 4 of 5, right? So P of x greater than or equal to 4. That means P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5. This one already we have found out to be 0.2592. You can directly write for x is equal to 5, 5C5, 0.6 the whole power 5 and 0.4 the whole power 0. Right? Substitute the values and tell me final value. We need to consider 4 and 5. Yes ma, very good. Yeah, 4 and 5. For B, at least, by at least 4 of 5 installation. Okay. Samyukta, no problem. You need not ask. Sorry, Samyukta, no problem. You check the answer. Okay. You should get the answer correctly when you are, you should be careful when you are using your calculator. Right? Yeah. Don't put careless mistakes. Vaishnavi, 0.2592 is correct. Very good. Rishabh, 0.2592 is correct. Very good. For second one, at least, you see the word at least. So, it should be minimum, it should be 4 or 5. Maximum, we have installed only 5 instruments, right? So, 4 should give the perfect result or 5 should give the perfect result. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5 you have to. Either it will be x is equal to 4 or x is equal to, that's why we are putting plus, okay. Greater than or equal to 4 means it may be 4 or it may be 5. Both you should consider. That's why add. Yes. 0.33696 Vidya, correct. 0.33696. Yes, very good. Correct. Or 0.337 also you can say. Manaswini 0.3368 is correct. Very good. Very good all of you. Super. Vaishnavi 0.33. 333, not 333 Vaishnavi. Be careful. 0.3369 is correct ma. 0.33696 is correct. Yes, very good. Yeah, exactly. 696 is correct. Yes. Samyukta 0.33696 is correct. Very good. Namrata, very good. Vaishnavi, yeah, 0.3368. Yes, very good ma. Now we got no careless mistake. Yeah. We'll go to the next question. So here I'll write the answer. 0.33696 is the correct answer. Okay. So for the first one we have this 0.2592. For the second one we have this answer. Right. We'll go to the next question. Determine the binomial distribution for which the mean is 4 and variance is 3. Mean is 4. Sometimes this can be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks questions. Okay. Standard types. These questions are standard problems. Determine the binomial distribution for which binomial distributions means, please remember, you should have n, you should have p, you should have q and x. Okay, distribution means n, p, q are important. If these three values are available, you can go for binomial distribution. Please remember, for if you want to use binomial distribution, you should have n, p and q. You should have success probability, failure probability and number of trials, right? Here, and already we have seen in the concept class, I have explained what is the mean of the binomial distribution. It is PQ. What is the variance of the binomial distribution? It is NPQ. Sorry, here NP, not PQ. NP and NPQ. Mean is NP and variance is NPQ. That's what is given. So given NP is equal to how much? 4 and variance NPQ is equal to 3. We have seen already in the classes. Those who have not watched, watch the previous video. Mean is equal to NP and variance is equal to NPQ. This we have derived already. Therefore, if you divide the second one, suppose if you have 1 equation 2, then 2 divided by 1. What will you get? NPQ divided by NP is equal to 3 by 4. So NP and NP will get cancelled. You will get Q is equal to 3 by 4. Implies, therefore, you can say P is equal to, when you know Q, we know P plus Q is equal to 1 already, we know. So P is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, which is 1 by 4. So we know N is equal to, substitute P and Q in this. We have NP is equal to 4. N into what is P? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 4. Implies N is equal to 16. So we have found out N value, P value and Q value. If three things are known, you can write NCX, P per X, Q per N minus X. Right? N is equal to 16. Uma, N is equal to 8 is not correct, ma? Already you have derived. Very good. Very good. Manaswini, NP is 4. NPQ is 3 is correct. Q is equal to 3 by 4. P is equal to 1 by 4. Before I complete, all of you have completed. Very good. Ushashri, NP is equal to 4. NPQ is 3. Yes, very good, ma. Uma, 3 by 4. 1 by 4 is right. Vaishnavi, NP is 4. NPQ is 3. Correct. Very good. Vidya, N is equal to 16 is correct. Very good. Manaswini, N is equal to 16 is correct. Very good. Raviteja, P is equal to 1 by 4. Q is equal to 3 by 4 is correct, ma. Very good. Bharat Kumar, N is equal to 16 is correct. Very good. Namrata, correct. Very good. Kirtika, very good. Uma, N is equal to 16 is correct. Very good. Raviteja, correct. Very good. Very good. Excellent. All of you have understood that now. In these kind of problems, one more question can be asked. You write a note and note down this formula. Mode. Sometimes these kind of problems, they can ask the mode also. You take a formula, note, you write. Mode is equal to, the formula is N plus 1 into P. Okay. So what is N plus 1 here? N is 16. So 16 plus 1 divided by, 16 plus 1 into P is 1 by 4. So it will be 17 by 4. 17 by 4 means you will get 4.25. 4.25, but mode cannot be in integer value. Okay, it should be it should be integer only. It cannot be real value. Okay, so you have to do is, therefore, and it will be unique also. So only unique mode will be there. So unique mode means integral part of, or integer part of, you can see. So integral part of Pn plus 1 into P. What is that? 4. So 4 is the mode. You can take down this formula. Okay. Vaishnavi, N is equal to 16 is correct. Very good. Yeah, next. Next question. Fifth question. If the probability of a defective bolt is 1 by 8, find the mean and variance for the distribution of defective bolts of 640. They have given directly 640. All the values are given. You have to find out mean and variance. So what is N here? You find out the value of N, P, Q. You know mean is equal to NP. Direct substitution only. Variance is equal to NPQ. Mean is NP, variance is NPQ. Tell me the values. What is N here, P here, and Q here? Yes, ma? What is N, P, Q in this problem? Tell me the values. N is equal to 640 is correct. Very good. Very good, Manaswini. N is equal to 640. Very good. What is P? 640, Uma, correct. Very good. Namrata, N is equal to 640 is very good. Kirtika, 70 is what? Variance or mean, ma? 70 is correct. One answer is 70. Very good. But you should be particular about the specific. Be specific whether it is mean or variance. 70 is mean or variance, Kirtika. Yeah, Bharat, N is equal to 640. P is equal to 1 by 8. Q is equal to 7 by 8. Excellent. Excellent. Vidya, 1 by 8. P is correct. Very good. Rishabh, N is equal to 640. Very good. Very good. Very good. All of you. Yes. Understood all of you, no? Namrata, P is equal to 1 by 8. Q is equal to 7 by 8. Mean is 80. Sai Shubha is correct. Very good. Very good. Samyukta, N is equal to 640. P is equal to 1 by 8 is correct. Very good. Raviteja, correct ma. Very good. Manaswini, 640 by 8. Very good. Is equal to 80. Very good. Vidya, Q 7 by 8 is correct. Very good. Kirtika, variance 70 is correct ma. Very good. Bhavana, 80 and 70. Excellent. Manaswini, excellent. Is 80, 70. Mean is 80. Vaishnavi, very good. Excellent. Excellent all of you. Sai Shubha, variance 70. Yes ma, very good. Bharat Kumar, 80 and 70. Very good. Super. So all of you have understood. Yes. Vaishnavi, variance is 70. Very good ma. The last question, okay? Last question. You have to do, I am not going to give you any clue for this problem. You are only going to do this. Tell me the answer now. I am not going to tell what is N, what is P, what is Q and all. You give me the answer for this. A, B, C. But today I am very happy that everyone has done on your own. I did not help much, no. Without my help, you people have done wonderful job. Very good. Super. You can take 1 by 8 as Q also, ma. No problem. You can take. You can take in the previous problem, no. Defective bold. Yeah. I think you will get the same answer. Yes. Yes, ma. You can take. You will get the same answer. Yes. Rishabh, variance is 70 is correct. Very good. Ramya, both values are correct. Very good, ma, all of you. Very good. You are welcome, Bharat. Really, I feel very happy today because everyone has done, almost all the answers are given by you people only. Very good. Yeah. Kirtika, both the values are same. That means you can take. Not, that means you can take actually. Uma, N is equal to 15. I am not going to tell the values of N, P, Q, Uma. You tell me the answers. A, B, C answers I need. I am not going to help you for this. Even the previous problems, without my help, people started doing very good. Like that, this also you do. So that you will be thorough with binomial. Correct, Uma, but I want ABC answers. ABC values I need. At least A part is at least 10 survive, B part at least 3 to 8 survive, and C part exactly 5 survive. Very happy to have such a group of nice students. Really, you are doing wonderful job. Keep it up, okay? You can be thorough with CVSM. No problem in this. And remaining units are very easy. And all of you must have a calculator for the next normal distribution, next unit. Another 2 topics, this unit will be over, okay? And geometric distribution concept is over. Only problems we have to do, and Poisson distribution. With that, second unit will be over. And for third unit, you must have a calculator. I'll teach you without table, only with by using calculator. How can we find out the values in the table? Okay. Sai Shubha 0.934. No. At least 10 survive, ma. At least 10 means you have to use 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At least 10 survive. Here P of 3, 3 to 8 survive. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly 5 means P of x is equal to 5. That's all. P of 15. Okay. P of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here it will take some time to put in the calculator. No problem. P of 3, P of 4, P of 5, P of 6, P of 7, P of 8. P of 8, P of 3 means capital X is equal to 3. I am not writing that X is equal to. Here again X is equal to 10. Okay. This means P of X is equal to 10. Okay. Okay, shall I give the values then? You can verify. Point A is equal to point. I'll mention the value. You can check later. 338. 0.0338. Okay. And 3 to 8 survives 0.8779. Okay. Here 0.1859. These are the answers. You can verify. Okay, one more question is there. You can take it as a homework. 5 cards are drawn successfully with replacement. There is no E here. Successfully with replacement from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that all 5 are spades, only 3 spades, and none is a spade? This also you take it as a homework and post the answers. Okay. Note down this question and you complete these 2. Right. Thank you so much, ma. We'll end. Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, ask me. Otherwise, we'll end up. You post the answers later, okay? If you have any doubt, tell me, otherwise we'll end up. Manaswini, 5.308 into 10 power minus 3, 0.0338 ma. Okay, you try, otherwise we'll do in the next class, okay? Next class you remind me, I'll do that. Don't worry. You try. These are the answers. I have given the answers. No, that should be the answers. Otherwise, we'll see. The answer is too big. Okay. Yeah. 5 or 6 terms you have to find out. No problem. Yeah, if it is 5 marks, then they'll ask like this only. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry about that. We'll wind up. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much.